Welcome to day 30 of Strength, 30 Days of Tai Chi Daily Exercises. And so this is the exercise version of today's session. Remember to watch the Tai Chi version as well. Click on the link in the video description to register for free to get all the classes right to your inbox. Today, the exercise is called Single Leg Step Up. All right, now if you are having some challenge with the regular step-ups, then just work there for a while. Once that becomes real easy and your balance is improving with single leg stance, then you can combine them to do kind of a single leg stance step-up in a way. But make sure you can at least stand on one leg for at least 5 to 10 seconds before you attempt this one. Otherwise, you may not be very successful with it. All right, and so I'm going to use these two blocks, but I don't recommend using those at home because it's real easy for them to slide out from under you. But just for demonstration purposes, so you can see the exercise, I'm using them here. The best thing to do is to use an actual step from a staircase, especially one that has a railing. That way you can grab onto the railing as needed for safety. All right, and the step won't slide out from under you, so that's another added bonus. So use a step. Technically, you could use a curb too, but if there's nothing there to hold on to, you're better off using a staircase with a railing. All right, and so I'll demonstrate the movement first, and then we'll do the exercise all together. All right, so the regular step up was when we just stepped up with the right foot, and then we stepped up with the left foot, then we stepped down with the right foot, and then down with the left. So that's a regular step up. You can do those for a long time before you get to this, or maybe even never get to this. This is more of a progression. Since it's the last day, I wanted to show you a little bit more of an advanced exercise that many can do, but many might still not quite be there yet. But it's something you can progress into. Now the single leg stance is when you're standing on one leg. So this is kind of a combination. All right, and so the single leg step up is when you step up with the right leg and then the left leg comes all the way up, and then you don't ever touch the step, you just step back again with the left foot and then the right. All right, so you step up with the right, the left leg just lifts, and then it never touches down on the step, it just steps back down on the floor, and then you step the other foot down. So you want to return to the starting position each time, and we'll do one leg at a time. Well, one focus. So the right leg will lead each time for 5 reps or 10. We can do 5 to 10. We'll just do 10 actually, but you can always stop at 5. This might be enough. 5 might be enough for most people actually, but I'll just go to 10 just so you can see the full progression. All right, now the breathing, you want to make sure you're kind of breathing normal. If you try to sync up the breath with all the movements, it's too confusing. So just make sure you're breathing, or you can just breathe out and then come back down. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. So you can do it that way too, but maybe just focus on the movements first, and then you can add in the breathing later. Just try to breathe normal for now. All right, and so we'll begin. The key also is once you get to the top, you want to be nice and tall, okay? You don't want to be leaning forward. It doesn't matter how high the other leg goes, so don't try to bend forward just to get the knee up higher. There's nothing really special about that. Instead, even if the leg doesn't come up much, that's okay, and then step back down. So this leg is kind of just hovering, so it kind of just hovers and then steps back down. All right, so it's really going to help you with balance, dynamic balance, stability, coordination, motor control. It's going to really help you with so many different aspects of function, really. And it can help you with the stairs, of course, but also just building strength and stability to get up and down off the floor, to get up and down off the chair, toilet, off your bed, so on and so forth. All right, lots of benefit. Let's start. All right, so we'll begin. I'm going to do the right leg first, but you can do either leg. All right, so I'm going to cue it as my right leg though. All right, and we'll begin. So right leg up, left leg comes all the way up and then all the way down. And then the right foot steps down. That's 1. We'll do it again. Right foot, left, left, right. 2, right, left, left, right. 3, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, then the left steps down, then the right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. And just let the arms be natural. One more time, right, left, left, right. So ideally, when you're stepping up, the right leg steps up, the left leg comes up, but also the right arm. So it's kind of like the opposite. However, I found that if you try to think about it, everyone messes it up. You end up just kind of being unnatural about it. So just let your arms swing naturally. All right, now we'll do the other side. So I'm gonna let my left leg lead. All right, so left, right, right, left. Left steps up, right hovers, right steps down, then the left. That's 2. Left, right, right, left. Left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left. You could hold on to a railing here if you needed to. Right, left, left, right hovers, right steps down, then left, left, right, right, left. I lost track. We'll do a few more. Right, right, left, left, right is up, then the right steps down, then the left, left, right, right, left. And you don't have to go very high. You can just have it hover a little bit. But really just knowing that you're here stable and then stepping down is the key. One more. Left, right, right steps down, and left. All right, so once again, just meet yourself where you're at with this one. Just do the regular step ups where you just step up and then plant that leg and then step back down. Or actually, so you would go left, right, and then left, right. That's the regular step up. Go back to the previous video where we did that during the program, and you can work there for a while if this one's too complicated for you. But for a lot of people, this might be a really good way to build that stability and balance and strength if you're at that level. All right. Well, thank you so much. I really appreciate you joining me for this program. Please type in the comments. Let me know about your whole experience. Let me know what came up for you. Let me know what else you'd like to see. And yeah, just be a part of our community. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.